Step into this impeccably crafted ranch home, boasting a lower walkout level, ideally situated within the sought-after Paw Paw school district. As you enter, you're greeted by an inviting open floor plan flooded with natural light, setting the stage for a warm welcome. The great room serves as the heart of the home, featuring vaulted ceilings, a cozy corner fireplace, gleaming hardwood floors, and serene views of the picturesque backyard. Indulge your inner chef in the dream kitchen, adorned with an abundance of exquisite cabinets, tastefully castled and crowned with molding. The expansive granite countertops, complemented by a custom tile backsplash, elevate both style and functionality. Stainless steel appliances, an eat-up bar, and a pantry add to the allure of this culinary haven. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers seamless access to the private deck, providing the perfect setting to savor meals amidst Michigan's idyllic summers. Retreat to the oversized primary suite, complete with a generous walk-in closet and a luxurious private bath showcasing double sinks and a beautifully tiled combo shower. 2 additional bedrooms offer ample space and storage, while the family bath, laundry facilities, and mudroom contribute to the home's practical layout. Venture downstairs to discover an expansive family room, offering additional living space and direct access to the enchanting patio and pool area. A 4th bedroom, 3rd full bath, and exceptional storage options complete this level, enhancing the home's functionality and versatility. Outside, your personal private wooded oasis awaits, featuring a heated pool, soothing hot tub, and inviting fire pit. A separate pool house and charming playhouse add to the allure of outdoor living, all nestled within the privacy of your own 1.4-acre retreat. Noteworthy features include a meticulously maintained pool installed in 2015, boasting top-of-the-line Hayward equipment, a heater, and an automatic suction cleaner. Indoor pool and hot tub